Just open it or just record, I'll open it. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
So
Are you ready
these
for the
are-
automatic light systems? Come, let's go. Yeah, it's locked.
okay, good.
Let's try this.
So these are the lecture theaters, and these lecture theaters have automatic light system.
So let's see those automatic
Inside.
lights.
Because
Are you ready? Yes. This is one of the lecture halls in the first floor. Is this the first floor or ground floor? Is this the first floor or ground floor? This is ground floor, right?
Ground floor.
Okay, cool. So this is one of the lecture halls in the ground floor. So these are sound absorbers. Those are speakers. This is our projector system. So this is a projector system which is controlling this. What is this called? This is whiteboard. So which rolls down and this is controlled. And there it is a projector through which the movie film rolls onto this projector. So that is the projector through which the movie film rolls onto this projector. So this is like a theater in which these are the sound absorbers and there are loudspeakers. And by the way, the most interesting thing is these lights are automatic. That is what I like.